Welcome back, guys, to Yaad Finance. So today I want to do a topic. I think a lot of Jamaicans will be interested in, especially Jamaicans who are living in overseas would like to have a financial, I know, have some money in Jamaica. Jamaicans that work online, like you do YouTube, you do like blogging, and you make money and all of that. You might want to know which bank might be better for you. So that's what I'm gonna get into because I have some experience and I travel sometime. Um, and I have do online work online. I have a YouTube channel, podcast, and a website that I earn money from. So let's get into it. So this debate is gonna be between NCB and Scotia Bank. There's a lot of other banks in Jamaica, but this is my perspective. So for those of you who might want to see other banks, you might have to do some more research for yourself. I'm doing this from my perspective. These are both banks that I have accounts at and I've used, right, both currently and in the past. So I'm gonna give you my perspective. Now, both banks are good for a number of reasons. Like for instance, NCB, I currently have my AdSense account sending my paychecks to NCB, right, every month, right? And the reason for that is that I did have a Scotia account and I closed it out because Scotia took a huge fee. Scotia took like $30 out of my money every month when I get it sent. NCB take money as well, but they take $20. I mean, it's $10 cheaper. That $10 adds up, $10 every month for a year. That's, let me see, 120 $120. Then you add up that for a couple more years. So it adds up, right? So that's one of the reasons why I switched to NCB, cheaper in terms of getting your money wired to your bank account in Jamaica from AdSense. And I used to go to Western Union, but uh the experience. So I hated going to the NCB and Western Union and joining the lines and all of that. I didn't like the experience. I think it was more convenient to get a bank account, right? So on that side, that's where you might want to look again, because this is not a straight cut answer. It depends on your purpose. No, for someone who's traveling, right? You travel, you're a nobody. You travel to Jamaica back and forth, and you have money in a Jamaican bank account, and you might want to use a Jamaican card overseas. Then I will go with Scotia Bank. Scotia, the default card is a Visa debit card, right? Which you can use online, you can use overseas. I use mine like last year when I was overseas. I used mine at McDonald's and stuff like that. Just some little miscellaneous stuff, where just gonna buy a meal, instead of using the cash that I have or buy American bank account. Let's just use a Scotia. Now, and so if you are the person who wants, so if you're a Jamaican overseas who have like accounts out here, you want to have money, so when you come out here you can have money access to Jamaican currency and you don't have to change and convert US dollars and all of that shit, then you might want to have a Scotia bank account that you can also use overseas. Also, it's easier to handle money, like say for instance, again, if you have other sources of income online, let's say you're getting paid through PayPal, you can connect your Scotia Bank Visa card to PayPal and all of that, and it's just easier. You can pay online using a Scotia card via PayPal and all of that, and it's easier. Now, as you know, NCB don't have a default Visa card. You have to apply for a credit card. They have a credit cards like a Visa credit card or Mastercard or credit card, and for your young people out there building wealth, I won't advise you to take out a credit card unless you can see where taking out a credit card will be better for you. So if you're somebody who travels a lot, constantly traveling, and you want to get some benefits, you want to get some cheaper flights, sure, go ahead and take out one of those Euro cards or whatever. Scotia has some as well, NCB has some. I've never taken out a credit card. I just don't like that credit card thing. But it's not all bad. There's benefits again if you're someone that travels often to justify taking out a credit card, or that gives you points and when you travel. And you can do that. Those are things that you can look into. And as I said, I'm giving you my perspective. There's lots of other banks and so forth out there. So if you are someone who's on AdSense and you want to get your money sent to your bank account, I would choose NCB, right? Because again, it's cheaper. It's $20 versus Scotia's $30. Now, the $10 difference is a lot. That's $120 per year you're saving. the switch if you push a bank, right? And if you're someone that travels a lot, or you're constantly in the States and in Jamaica, and you want to access your money that you might have in Jamaica, then I'll say, without taking out a credit card, then I'll say, yo, definitely Scotiabank. That's my personal opinion. Again, there's multiple banks in Jamaica. More than we have the JN, we have a bunch of other banks. Sagicor, I think, RBB, yeah, or some other thing. There's other credit unions and so forth. I don't know how they cast it with. I've only had two banks, Scotia and NCB. Alright, so that's my expertise. I'm not an expert in these things. At least bank cards in Jamaica, but I'm giving you the experience that I have gotten. Right, so just a recap. If you have an AdSense account, you have a blog, a YouTube channel, you're getting paid, and you want to get your money to your Jamaican bank account, and open up a NCB US account, and your money will be able to be wired directly to your US account in school NCB, right? To open a USC NCB account, you just need $100, a letter of employment or a letter of self-employment verified by a JP, and the normal banks of TRN ID and all of those things. Proof of address, stuff like that, and that's it. And then for Scotia, same thing, proof of earnings and all of that to open up a US account. Open up a normal account, it just proof of address, money to open up a normal account. I think NCB is $2,000, Scotia is around $5,000. That money is gonna be yours. It's just gonna upfront money, like to put in your account. Right? So if you're someone who travels a lot, want to access your money that is in Jamaica, you don't have a US bank account and you travel a lot, so you're not a permanent resident in America, but you travel for business, you travel every year because you have a visa, then I'll say open up a Scotia bank account. You'll be able to access your money, just inform the bank that you're traveling. I think I didn't even have to inform, and I just use mine, send me a email notification that, oh, my bank card was used, and you can either let them know, oh, that was me and stuff like that. So that's my opinion on which bank account you should open if you are, whether you're traveling constantly, or you just want to have a bank. If you're living in America and you want to have a bank account in Jamaica, or you're doing business online and stuff like that, you want to use PayPal and stuff like that to make payments online, and Scotia is the way to go. That's without getting a credit card where you have to sign up for debt and all of that. Plus, you have to pass some screening. So if you're someone who started out like me, who wouldn't really have much who didn't have a job, so you don't have much financial backing, so hey, let me get a credit card. I didn't have a job to prove that. Hey, I just going to college. No, I could probably go and get a credit card, but I probably won't. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'm going to be sharing stuff like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this is your host Shane, and this is Yaad Finance. See you guys later.